What's up, YouTube family? My name is Jake, the On-Chain Gamer, and man, you guys want that Axie bread. I can sense the desire coming through the camera right now. But yeah, I've been responding to a bunch of comments of guys asking for Axie Infinity scholarships, and instead of just responding to everyone individually, I wanted to make this video, just sum it all up at once. But it's kind of funny. I'm gonna read some of these comments. Hopefully you guys are ready for this video. On-Chain Gaming. Hi, I'm looking for a scholarship program. I have more time to play and earn SLP. I see you. Hi Jake, nice video. Do you know someone who may have a scholarship? I have experience in game. I can do any amount of SLP that is required. And even on videos that aren't related to Axie Infinity at all, like my Miranda's farming hamlet video, Axie Infinity scholarship, please. Please. But yeah, it gets pretty serious here at one point. Brother, I am waiting for my student scholarship. More than 10 students. They have mobile, but no opportunity for any earn. And guys, I really feel this, man. I really feel this desire, especially because I know my videos are getting watched all over the world. And for some people, like the $10 a day you can earn in Axie Infinity is really life-changing money. So I have made the decision that I do want to give out scholarships. But here's the thing, right now, there's not really an easy way to do it in a trustless way, meaning in a way that it's like guaranteed. The way I'm thinking about doing this is that I will give you an account with Axies, and the first SLP that you earn will just pay back the Axie. And then after that, I'll do a 90-10 split where you keep 90% of the SLP you earn and I just take 10% of the SLP you earn. Because at that point, I've already paid off my initial investment. I want you to keep as much as possible. But there's no way to do it in a trustless way. So there is a company that's working on smart contract enabled scholarships. And when that is ready, I am going to be offering a ton of scholarships. I feel like I can probably, give a number every single week of scholarships out from this channel, but we just need that smart contract to be ready. That way it can be completely trustless. We can just know that it's gonna happen, that it's programmed to happen as we decide. And yeah, then we can just all be happy about it and not have to worry about it again. I just don't want to have to deal with like every single week going through a bunch of different accounts and saying, okay, how much SLP did this account earn? How much SLP did that account earn? It is just going to take a lot of time once there's like 10 or 15 or 20 or 30 different scholarship accounts. So I really need that smart contract to happen. And yeah, once that is ready, then I will be offering scholarships. So hang in there, everybody. And I hope you all have a wonderful time. I'm just having fun here on this channel. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this content. Make sure that you hit thumbs up if you are enjoying these videos, and also hit subscribe so that you'll know when I do start giving out these scholarships. Also hit subscribe to stay up to date on all the Axie Infinity news, fun gameplay videos, other blockchain gaming videos, and then hit that notification bell as well. I really appreciate it. Until next time, have fun.